Guys, how you doing? My name is Chris. I'm just another review guy. Today we're going to be testing out Hybrid Solutions by Turtle Wax on my 2011 BMW. This car hasn't been waxed for a couple years because, well, I had to protect it on it, but it doesn't no more, so it needs to be waxed. But this is going to be a good test for this cleaner. This is the ceramic wash and wax. Wash and rinse off for instant drying that leaves behind shine and protection. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how well it works. This is not recommended to be used in a foam cannon, but then again, on this channel we do everything that's not recommended, right? I mean, that's how we test product. So we are going to shoot this in the foam cannon, but I am going to add 3 ounces to a 5-gallon bucket, so when we wash it by hand. So the foam cannon is basically going to be used to see how well it foams, if it even foams. So guys, let's look at the video of the water sheathing on the hood. Then we'll get on with the test of this soap. Alright guys, so we got the foam cannon filled with the turtle wax. Like I said, it's not recommended for a foam cannon, but we're going to give it a shot and see how it does. And then we'll do the application out of a 5-gallon bucket using 3 ounces of soap as it says on the instructions. Well guys, as you can see, this foam is not meant for a foam cannon. It doesn't give you any foam, no matter the adjustment on the bottle. So I'm going to pressure wash it off, and let's just see how it applies itself without actually scrubbing. Alright guys, let's rinse the car off with the pressure washer after using the foam cannon, and then we'll see if it sheets or if it beads off, and then we'll apply this soap the way they intended us to do. right, guys, now we sit, we let it air dry, and then we'll see if it actually works. All right, guys, here is the car after it dried. So as you can see, it didn't leave any spots or residue on the roof. So it did what it said there, where you could just let it dry off and it didn't spot. A lot of the spotting you see on my hood or my trunk, a lot of the spotting on the trunk is some old stuff. Wax that out, that will be in another video. But yeah, so the bottle says you can just wash, rinse, and let it dry, and it limits the spotting, and it did. So that part worked. Let's spray it down with some water and see how the ceramic coating worked. I mean, it made a little bit of a difference, not much, not on the hood. It didn't really make too much of a difference on this car. I did do the trunk, so let's do the trunk. Yeah, so as a ceramic part on a car that honestly, you know, paint's been abused, it hasn't been waxed or anything, washed every few months, didn't perform as well as the bottle claimed it would. So there you go, guys, that's the end of this review, and this review is done. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well if you liked the video. If not, you can just hit the dislike button. And if you could hit that bell notification. The bell lets you know when I upload a new video, and I try to upload every Sunday, and I'm going to try to do 2 uploads a week possible, but for sure every Sunday we do an upload. As always, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.